Hello, I am Sylvia Tiaranika.
And I am Sivana Citra Viola. We will present in the job training report at PT Citra Media Solusindo in Malang.
First of all, praise and thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala that we could finish this report, the job training report at PT Citra Media Solusindo Malang. Due to the duty of finishing the last grade for English class recruitment, we express our gratitude to the person as follows. Number 1, Mrs. Puput Amiranti, NSS as English teacher who has director accompanied us to complete this report. Number 2, Mr. Ferry Setiawan Eskam as the head program teacher for Network Computer Engineering Department, who has directed careful talk and inspired us more above studying networking.
Number 3, parent who always keep praying, giving, supporting, and counting and great sacrifice for us, mainly for succeeding our school until finish. Number 4, friends who has being the good person for sharing and supporting each other in this studying process. Later, we are aware is this report is still far from perfectness. Therefore, some critics and suggestions are necessary to give us a good input to improve this report better. As living in digital era of industrial 4.0, we are the part of informatics technology program. Our specialty is in digital networking technology, our computer and networking engineering program. Therefore, we concern in our decision of causing the prominent place for our intern that relate to digital networking technology development as our main work fair study. In this part, we would like to report that we have completed a 6-month period of training at PT Citra Media Solusindo in Malang. PT Citra Media Solusindo is a company in the field of information technology. Headquartered in Malang, as Java, with branch in several major cities in Indonesia, such as Jakarta, Batam, Surabaya, Solo, and others. The service of PT Citra Media Solusindo company focus on internet service provider, application development service, and energy management service provider.
PT Citra Media Solusindo has been established since 2003. This company aims the organizer of special broadband wireless internet access all Malang and in several major cities in Indonesia. As an ESP, with a high commitment and hard work to always provide the best service and in the accordance with customer satisfaction and also a cooperative relationship with rail network, improve quality and provide fast and reliable service. The headquarters building of PT Citra Media Solusindo is located in Perkantoran Soekarno-Hatta, Indah Cave, IE Mojolangu, Malang City, East Java. The scope of work conducted by PT Citra Media Solusindo software development, mainly using web technologies such as iOS and Android, infrastructure and network service, and web hosting. PT Citra Media Solusindo give the best service to the customer who handle wireless broadband internet access. prone to save you and we are, priority of solution. The structure of organization.
Number 1. President Director. Mrs. Sinta has a position as President Director at PT Citra Media Solusindo, where she is in charge of monitoring work in his company. In addition to monitor, she also took part in managing the company in order to grow forward. She also participated in project work in the field.
Number 2, field technician. Mr. Fepi, he has a position of chief engineer at PT Citra Media Solusindo. He is in charge of dividing the area for troubleshooting of installation Wi-Fi in client. In addition to D5, he also monitors the work of other employees. He also takes part in handling some of their projects. Besides he is also authorized to accept and supervise students who are practices in the place.
Number 3. Admin. Mrs. Sita, she is an admin at PT Citra Media Solusindo. She has a position as server in the administration or regulating finance in the company. She regulates the amount of money in and out of the company. She also handles Wi-Fi payments from clients.
Number 4. The employees. Mr. Sinyo, he has status as an employee at PT Citra Media Solusindo. He is tasked with checking or fixing problem in client with the approval of the chief technician.
Training outline and environment. In January, we were given some training as follows. Draw the BTS line, register client, network monitoring. In February, we were given some training as follows. Configure LATBIM, check PPH text document, network monitoring, Wi-Fi setting. In March, we were given some training as follows. Working on project on the website, configuring LATBIM, and network monitoring.
Project and following up the work first month January until March. The first month of training is to make us familiar with the work environment and how it flows. About 8 days at the start of the training period were spent just monitoring how the staff around me worked and what they were doing. At this stage, we could understand the general skew of technician process and the role of company. For 8 days, we know that there were two important parts in Citra Media. The first part is field technician who work on Wi-Fi installation and Wi-Fi network repair. The second part was internet network monitoring from the Citra Media. The following week, we monitored the client network. We are trained to monitor network from scratch. Our knowledge of IT is very supportive to carry out the tasks well. If we don't understand, the staff will help us. In the last week of March, we did the LATBIM configuration. At this stage, we were taught how to configure the LATBIM via Google. This part is liquid difficult, so we have to focus on working on it. The next week, we were given free because of COVID-19. The company no longer wanted to serve client problem solver and finally we returned to our home. List of problems with the network monitoring. First, analyze the problem. Second, start to make a list of devices and with equipment needed for troubleshoot.
Next, looking for the cause of network connectivity problems. Finally, the total list of repairs includes new device service fees to the admin Citra Media Company.
Here is pictures of our training activity.
So many presentation from us.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.